You can easily version the documents along with your project. In this project, we have a simple use case diagrams and a document output the flow of events of the use cases. The document can be output into HTML, PDF, and Microsoft Word format. If your project already managed by our repository, you can then output the document along with your project so that it also being versioned. Let's output to PDF document as example. Press the ellipses button in the output path field of the Export PDF Doc dialog. Select Project Files folder. Create a new folder here. Name it as Reports. Go into the Reports folder and specify the name of our document. Press Save button to confirm and press Export to output the document. Now the document is being output into PDF format. Go to Team, Commit to send the document to repository. In the Commit dialog, go to Files tab and it shows the document is in the commit scope. The green icon on the document indicates this is a new file to the repository. Press Commit to proceed. Now the document is being sent to repository along with the revision of this project. Let's try to add a new use case and flow of events to the project and update the document. Define a new use case request checkbook and enter its flow of events. Switch to the document and make a refresh. The new flow of events of the request checkbook use case is being included. Output the document again by overwrite the existing one. The flow of events of request checkbook use case is being included in the PDF. Commit the project again to send it to repository. This time in the commit dialog, the document show a yellow mark indicate this is being modified. We can switch the project back to older revisions to access the previous documents. Go to Team, Utilities, Open Teamwork Client. Switch to Revisions tab of the current project. Select the previous revision and press Open button below the list. This will switch your project to the selected revision. Go to Team, Files, Report, and open the document. As you can see, this version of document didn't show the flow of events of the request checkbook use case. Switch back to the latest revision and open the document again. This version of document show the flow of events of the request checkbook use case. Hope you will found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.